Hello and welcome to this review of the Jane Lee item set from the CFA Institute questions. And as usual, we go straight to the first question to see what we are looking for in the vignette. And question number one is talking about which of the following statements is most accurate as to how Lee should decide between allocation 1 versus allocation 2. So we are looking for allocation 1 versus allocation 2 in the vignette. And I go straight to the beginning of the vignette. That's where I'm going to find the relevant data for the first question. And here is your allocation 1 and 2. Allocation 1 is 50% equity, 35% fixed income, and 15% real estate. Allocation 2 has lower allocation to real estate and 5% higher to equity. All right, so that the fixed income is the same, and the only change is equity allocation is 5% higher, and correspondingly, the allocation to real estate is 5% lower. Now, let's see what is given to us in the beginning of the vignette, talking about what this allocation 1 and 2 really means. So what you're given is this is an endowment fund. You're looking to invest in real estate. Historically, the allocation was 60% and 40% stock bond allocation. So 60% equity, 40% fixed income. And we are now going to include real estate into this portfolio. And after incorporating the data from appraisal based, and that is a key piece of information given to us, the index is Global Real Estate Fund Index, or GREFI. Now you're using an index, and that index is constructed using appraisal based data. And remember, appraisal based data is smooth and it reflects lagged values because the appraiser uses past transactions in determining the returns. All right. Furthermore, you're given GREFI returns and volatilities implies strong risk-adjusted performance. So based on just looking at the index performance, you see that it is real estate is a good performer relative to the risk involved, relative to volatility involved. And furthermore, you're given that there is a low correlation with stocks and bonds. So the two allocations again is basically one where 15% is allocated to real estate and only 50% is to equity. So 10% lower as compared to the traditional 60 to 50, 10% lower to equities, and correspondingly out of the 15%, 5%